What's up, you guys? In this video we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Welcome back to another video. My name's Sergio with Serg-Tech, and in this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell to get notified on my future videos, and let's jump right in. So look what just came in. Finally got the Galaxy S21 Ultra Phantom Black unlocked by Samsung, and it actually came with two Galaxy smart tags included with the purchase of the S21 Ultra. So we're gonna put these aside. I'm gonna be making a complete video reviewing the Samsung Galaxy smart tags in the next few days. So looking at the Galaxy S21 box, so we can already see that they minimized the box size down, because Samsung, also like Apple, is not going to include the wall charger plug anymore, because they're stating that they also want to be more environmentally friendly. So let's go ahead and place it here next to a iPhone 12 box. So as you can see, they're almost about the same size, almost the same width, the Samsung Galaxy box being slightly bigger. So here in the front of the box, it's just going to say Samsung Galaxy S and then 21 and S21 Ultra at the bottom. It's going to have the IMEI and serial number here at the bottom. It's going to say Samsung on this side and Galaxy on the other side. Here on the back of the box, this one states that it's unlocked by Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and then the package contents, and then other standard information. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into the box. So there we have it, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, huge screen, giant camera module, although it doesn't stick out as much as the Note 20 Ultra's camera module, so I like that. So let's put this to the side real quick so we can check out the rest of the contents in the box. So here we have a small little box here. I'm guessing this is where the accessories that it comes with are, because there's nothing else inside the box here. So here we're gonna have the SIM card ejector pin on the back. Just gonna remove that. Alright, so here we're going to have terms and conditions, quick reference guide, and some basic information here about the S21 Ultra and Samsung Care. And then here we're going to have your USB Type-C to USB Type-C fast charging cable, so you can go ahead and connect it to your previous wall charger plug to charge your Galaxy S21 Ultra, since this one doesn't bring the charger plug. And that's pretty much it, nothing else in here. So let's put that to the side. So let's go ahead and peel these stickers off. So beautiful looking phone here, and I actually like this matte black color. It's not all shiny and attention grabbing. It just looks very sleek and professional. So here on the front of the phone, we're gonna have the front facing selfie camera over here at the top. So it has a huge 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1440 by 3200 pixels of resolution, and it has a max brightness of 1500 nits, meaning that the Galaxy S21 Ultra has an even better display resolution than the Note 20 Ultra. And let's not forget that this display comes with 120 Hz refresh rate. So the first tiny hole that you're going to see here on the left is the SIM card tray. You're going to see another one right next to it. That is for the microphone input, so that when you're talking on the phone, that's where the sound goes in through and where it gets processed, and then the other person hears you on the other side of the line. Right in the middle is the USB Type-C fast charging port, and then over here we're going to have the loudspeaker for when you're listening to music on the device itself, or videos, or talking on speakerphone. Here on this side we're going to have the power button, also known as the Bixby button now, and the volume rockers right above it. And here at the top, we're going to notice two small holes here, and this is because the S21 Ultra brings two microphones near the top of the phone for an increased quality of microphone input for when you're doing things like recording videos and on video calls. And then on this side, it's just going to be a plain side. Okay, so over here on the back, we're going to have the camera module. Here you're going to notice the 4 cameras, the 108 megapixel image sensor wide camera, two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras, laser autofocus sensor, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide macro lens camera, the laser autofocus sensor, and the flash right here. And then over here towards the bottom, it's just going to say Samsung down here, and right below it is going to be the IMEI of the device. Alright, so what makes the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra so special? Well, there's a couple different areas where this phone excels at compared to other devices. So number one is definitely the display. It has one of the highest resolutions, if not the highest, out of any any smartphone available right now. It has automatic refresh rate up to 120 Hertz. The S21 Ultra is now S Pen compatible. The S21 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery, which is also one of the biggest batteries out of all smartphones, meaning it should last longer than most devices in the market. It has the fastest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor on a smartphone in the world right now, the Snapdragon 888, which is a 5nm processor. And one of the most important features that Samsung is always excelling in is its camera. It has a 40 megapixel selfie camera, which takes super high resolution shots and records 4K video up to 60 frames per second, and its rear cameras. So the 108 megapixel wide camera is full of megapixels to take high quality wide angle shots with an advanced image sensor to be able to capture motion shots more accurately. It has space zoom, meaning it can zoom up to 100x, which is the farthest zoom out of any smartphone in the market right now, and it can actually take pretty high quality pictures zoomed in all the way to 100x. And it records 8K videos up to 24 frames per second. Very few phones out there that can record 8K videos. And stay tuned, because I'm going to be making a video very soon comparing the cameras of the S21 Ultra compared to other smartphones that have highest quality cameras in the market right now, so that we can see how good the cameras actually are compared to other devices that are available. Alright everyone, so this is the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Let me know if you're thinking about getting a S21 down below in the description, or what you think about this device. Go ahead and give this video a like to help me get this content out to more people. And that's it for this video everyone. I'll catch you in the next video. As always, peace.